Ports were part of it. We hear that amongst the 12 ports, you have actually won an award. So something on that, sir.
Thank you very much. So this yesterday was the golden day when we got this award. Yesterday, our Honorable Minister, Mr. Sonowal, and in the presence of our Minister of State, Sri Naikji, so the Green Port guidelines were launched first. So these guidelines are called Harit Sagar. So Harit Sagar is kind of a document which the ministry has come up with for sustainable initiatives in all the major ports of the country. Along with that, the awards were also distributed, and I'm happy to say that Mormugao Port won the award among all the major ports for the average output per day. That is the total, cargo loaded or unloaded in a single day. So last year, the port created a record by achieving 15,699 tons in a single day, as against 11,000 odd last year. So this kind of a jump and the very big jump in the per day output of the port, that has contributed to this award. This is a very significant award considering the fact that there are major ports involved in this. And this kind of an achievement is possible only if the different wings of the port work in unison and in a great synergy. So it's a great achievement for the port, and with support from all of you and the local, the government of Goa also, I'm sure that we will achieve more awards in future, because these awards will be given every year now, called Sagar Shreshta Samman, for different parameters to different ports.
Sir,
No, this award is for the last year's performance, and I should not. I should give it to to my team, who are in the port for the last year's performance. But as a leader of the port, I'm just kind of motivating all my staff, and I'm happy that the ministry has also come up with Harit Sagar, these sustainable initiatives, because on the day of joining, I had also said that one of the priorities will be sustainable initiatives in the port. So we have got a big boost with the Harit Sagar policy also to introduce more and more green technologies. One thing we are working with Goa Energy Development Agency is to have a 3 megawatt solar energy generation on the land, port land. So that discussion is going on with GEDA. And if everything goes well, we will be able to implement that over the next year, so that the bulk of the power requirements of the port can be met through through solar energy. So that also will be a major boost to the sustainable initiatives of the port.
sir, after you've taken over as the chairman, even the fishing community, I believe they've met you about the fishing harbor for them, and I think you've even spoken to the state government about the permission. Anything on that? Any follow up has been done on that?
Yeah, we are in touch with the last week. I had also requested the Secretary Fisheries also, and he has promised. I think there will be a meeting between my team and the Director of Fisheries very soon. So main thing is to get the land without any issues. Then only we can start developing the land, get necessary approvals, because otherwise the approvals will expire and we will not be able to develop the land. So the Chief Secretary has also given the task to the Secretary Fisheries. So we are looking at some kind of an initiative from their side, so that we can go to the next stage.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Arriving to the port for the last so many years.
See, containers, the main requirement will be our cranes, the very big cranes. So that kind of an investment is possible when you have a PPP model, which we are looking at bringing one or two of the berths, mechanizing it, bringing cranes for additional, the container business. And another boost to that will be the port connectivity, the road, the 4-lane connectivity to the port will also be completed with the help of the government of Goa also. It is expected that it will be completed by November. So that way also the connectivity to the port, the container trucks, etc., will be able to move faster. So we expect that business also to go up.